Smells good. Bango. Kare-Kare. Hi guys!
What time is it?
It's cooking time!
And what are you cooking?
Kare-Kare.
Okay.
Let's go to the market.
Alright, while you go to the market, I'll do the laundry. See you later.
Sounds good. I'm home! Hi! I love you. Let's cook. Alright, since we have to cook it for 3 hours, we're cooking it on charcoal because it's cheaper.
So while Ian is boiling the meat, I'm going to chop the vegetables. Papa, isang...
Ooh, that looks good. Now we'll wash the meat. So we boiled it until it's clean, so now it's nice and clean.
Yeah, so now guys, we are going to blanch the vegetables so it will not be overcooked later on. It's ready.
After 1 minute of boiling, she's ready. A banana heart. To the pan. Alright, I'm adding annatto, also known as ansueto if you're Filipino.
Atsuete.
Ansuete. Once the oil turns red, that's when we remove the seeds. We just removed the seeds, so now we're adding the onions. Adding garlic now. Adding the meat, aka pork leg or foot. Alright, next up, the water. Alright, now we'll wait until it's boiling, and once it's boiling, we'll wait 20 minutes for it to be done. In it. After 20 minutes, that is looking and smelling amazing. Time to add the happy ingredient, happy peanut butter. If you want to sponsor me, Happy, feel free to do so. We're adding 3 spoons. Now we're adding some Kare-Kare recipe mix. That looks super succulent. Now adding some special seasoning. Adding the vegetables. Smells good. Bango. Kare-Kare.
Okay, guys. Now it's time for taste test. Final verdict. Let's taste it. Yeah.
What's it taste like?
It's nutty. It's a bit salty, not too much, but it has a distinct taste to it, and it's cooked like this. It is how it's supposed to be because we need to add bagoong,
What's bagoong?
shrimp paste. This is what we're going to use to adjust the taste according to a person's preference. So let's add bagoong to it, and then the vegetable.
How does it taste now?
Good. Super good.
0 out of 10.
10 or 20.
Ooh, let's go. Let's add it together. Let's make it a 30 then.
Yeah. How was it?
It was a lot of work, but
Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed the work, but it was a lot of work. But now let me try some of that, please.
Okay. Do you want bagoong?
What?
The bagoong.
Tiny bit.
Tiny
Just to
bit.
try. Yeah.
Because you don't like.
Normally I don't really like shrimp paste too much, no. So I will, but I will try it the way how it's supposed to be eaten.
Yeah. Tasty.
That is really good.
Yeah.
It's very nutty. I can taste the peanut butter clearly.
Mm-hmm.
The saltiness is really good. I don't find it bland at all with the shrimp paste at least.
Mm-mm.
The meat is very tender. Let me try one of these leafy greens.
Pechay.
The pechay, yeah, that's the one. This one. The other one's for you. If I can get it.
Crunchy.
The vegetables are still crunchy.
Yeah.
Amazing. The sauce is really good. Definitely rating that at 20 out of 10. I know you're only supposed to rate stuff from 10, but this just doesn't go in the category of 10 anymore. This is amazing.
So you should try it and watch our video.
Watch the video again. I will also put the ingredients list and how to make it in text at the end of the video as an end screen title, so you can look at how you can make it right there. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely press the like button because it helps the algorithm. Comment down below if you like anything about it, like the color or the taste, whatever you like about it. Just comment that down below and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue.